Who makes laws for our country? Who takes important decisions? Let us find out as we begin today's lesson. Our government, a group of members elected by the people of the country who are responsible for enforcing laws, maintaining law and order, and providing public services are collectively called government. This group of elected members is known as the government. In India, each state has its own government called the state government. We also have the central government at the national level. The parliament is the law-making body of the central government. It consists of the president and the two houses, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. There is also a council of ministers headed by the Prime Minister to advise the president in carrying out his or her duties. The president is the head of the Union of India. The Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. People of each state elect members to represent them in the Lok Sabha. They are called the members of parliament, MP. They are elected for a period of 5 years. The Speaker is an important officer of the Lok Sabha. He or she conducts the proceedings of the Lok Sabha. The Rajya Sabha is the permanent house of the parliament. Members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the members of the state governments. 12 members are nominated by the president. The vice president is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Each state has its own government consisting of the governor, chief minister, and the other ministers. The governor is the head of the state. The chief minister forms the government along with the ministers. The people of the state cast their votes and elect their representatives, who are called the members of the Legislative Assembly, MLA. The Legislative Assembly is a body which makes laws and governs the state. There are 8 union territories in India. Delhi is also one of them. Unlike states which have their own local governments, union territories are governed directly by the central government. However, union territories of Delhi, Puducherry and Jammu and Kashmir have a legislative assembly.